Hey guys, what's up? It's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and for today I will be teaching you how to access and delete drafts. So first, of course, is you have to navigate to your Gmail account, and once you have the screen loaded, then you would have no problems following my tutorial. So first, what are drafts? So drafts are unsent messages. So typically you get drafts when you want to write an email, but then you forget to send it, or you just accidentally press compose and you just forget about a certain email all of a sudden. So you can access that over here on the sidebar right here. So this sidebar has a lot of buttons, but you just have to click drafts and it's below sent. So the drafts folder is this one. So as you can see, I have here sample email. So I tend to forget sending emails, or like I accidentally press the compose button and just press exit. And yes, this happens most of the time. And what you just have to do is to tick the button right here. So you can just simply click discard drafts, or alternatively you can just click this select button altogether and it will be selecting all of the emails in the folder. So I will just click discard drafts, and yes, that's it. I don't have drafts anymore. So as you can see, it says saving a draft allows you to keep a message you aren't ready to send yet. So if you have already sent the final email, or like the final content of something, then yes, you may delete the drafted email. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you tune in for more.